What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, I was shopping in Costco. Okay, so we was in Costco and I saw this 30-watt block. Now, if you are suffering from slow charging speed, this might be your friend right here. Now, I got this for 30 bucks. We will test out the integrity of this product. All right, so here it says, fast charge your devices at up to 30 watts. It says up to 30 watts, so it's not really saying 30 watts exactly, but over here it says 30 watts. One charger for all of your devices. Turn it around on the back. Here it says Samsung S22 and then iPhone 13 Pro Max. Now, as y'all know, iPhone charges different than the Androids for what I know, for reviewers reviewing. So right here it tells you right here. All right, so it says 5 watts, and this is a standard wall charger. Is the 5 watts block, right? All right, so right here it's saying 30%, and it says battery percent after 60 minutes of charge will be 100%. Okay, so that's for Androids 12. Now, my Pixel 7 is an Android 13. It says Android 13 on it, so we will see and test out the speed of that. Right here it says iPhone 13 Pro Max. We left iPhone, but I am just going to tell you the specs on that. It says 5 watts right here, 35%, and that's for after 90 minutes of charging. Here is after 60 minutes of charging, and here is after 90 minutes of charging. So for some reason, I don't know why, maybe it's the different batteries. It takes longer, an hour and a half to take this to 100% and only 60 minutes to take a Samsung S22 Ultra to 100%. So that's a 30-minute difference. Okay, anyways, now for the fun part, let's go ahead and check these little bad boys out. What 30 minutes will do, I will come back to my phone on 30 minutes to check it out. I'm gonna take the display sleeper off, and then yeah, we'll go from there.
And it says right there 1 hour and a half left until fully charged. Now that was the charging time that it said for the iPhone, but for Android it says 60 minutes. Once again, that was on Android 12. This is Android 13, so it just hopped up 1%. Maybe the time will change later, but as you can see, I got the screen recording on, and it's 9:37. Can't really see through the camera, but okay. 9:37. Right, y'all see everything right there. Now I got the screen on, I think 60% or something like that. I don't have the battery saver on. Alright, I hope it's counting. Alright, you guys, I'll come back in another 30 minutes to see the progress of it.
All right, you guys, so we are going to finalize the review on this 30-watt charger right here. This block is amazing. The one thing I want to say is take note that my phone was actually working while being charging during the video. So if you think the phone was charging slow, it was pretty much charging fast because the display was on the whole time. So I had the display mode turned off so the screen record could actually record while being charged. So you can actually see how fast this thing works when the phone display is on. And take another note that it was recording. So I was screen recording. That means it was working. All right. I even let a friend use this. Their phone was dying, a coworker. I let a coworker use this. Their phone was dying and they couldn't even believe how fast this thing charged in like 30 minutes. They was like, what? Where did you get this charger from? And I told them Costco. I don't know if they still have it, but hey, 2 for $30. If I see a link on their website, I will try to post it for y'all. But if you walk in Costco, go to the section where they got, you know, the chairs and, you know, the phone charger lamp and all that cool, crazy stuff. You should find 2 of these, maybe depending on your Costco, but yeah. Other than that, this thing is good. All right. Yeah, for 30 bucks, basically 15 bucks a piece, you have a super fast charger. All right. So that will be it with this review. Like, comment, and subscribe.